Next, we'll want to add some textures to the crate, and in Cinema 4D there's a very nice feature in the object manager that allows you to layer textures one on top of the other. And what we're going to do is add a base texture, and then we're going to decal a number on top of that texture, just like it was a shipping crate. So the first thing we'll do is take a wood texture and we'll add it to the cube. Now in this case we're going to take the projection mapping and change it to cubic, and we're going to deselect tile. We're not going to tile this texture because we don't want to see what we saw in the brick example. We don't want to see lines, and we don't want to see the separations of the tiles. We want a clean surface with no tiling whatsoever on this object. So we'll click OK, and you'll notice that the map comes up in a very small area. So what we'll have to do is scale this so that it fits the surface, and we do that by going to the texture tool, and when we click on the texture tool an interactive box shows up, and so we'll click on scale, and just by moving the mouse we can resize the map.